Hey, I'm Nathan with CopilotKit. Today I'm going to show you how you can add an MCP client to your application. Just paste in one command, which will allow you to chat with any MCP server and use it as a tool call inside your app. Let's get started. Okay, so let's bring this into the real world. I'm running a launch campaign and I have to send tasks to Asana. I have to schedule tweets for our social media campaign. And with multiple tools, none of them talk to each other. Also, there's no standard MCP client, but this is what CopilotKit is solving. You can get started talking to MCP servers within seconds. So I do have a couple MCP servers loaded, and I got these from Composio. What I want to do is I want to send my blog post list to my project management tool. So let's do that. Okay, so out of the gate, our assistant is helping us. So let's check the link. It's taking us to Asana, and now I can assign this task to myself, and I'm going to set the due date for tomorrow. So now what I want to do is I want to take this list and create tweet drafts for our campaign. So let's do that. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, this is cool. They just came in. So as you can see, all of our tweets, we can fill them out as needed. This is amazing.